Manage bank feeds. You can access this function from Banking, Transactions, Manage bank feeds. If you select Sage Bank Feeds, with Sage Bank Feeds connected, Sage Accounting regularly checks your online bank account for new activity and downloads transactions automatically. You can select Net Cash. Click Continue button. You can check Accept our terms and conditions and continue. You can select your bank accounts and you can continue. If you select Net Cash and continue, you can enter Net Cash details and click Next and you can complete bank feeds. If you want to learn more about bank feeds, you can click this link and you can learn more about bank feeds.